Hey guys, welcome to Sugar Scrubs, and today we'll be making our Twilight Magic foaming sugar scrub. This is gonna be a new look. It is totally different from the product I have last year, both the look and how I made the base for the sugar scrub. So as you can see here, I've already gotten the base whipped and everything. So I just added the preservative and my fragrance, and I'm just now going to add my sugar. And as you can see, this base, guys, it is like a dough. Look at how smooth and creamy this is, and it is thick so that you can hold this. I call it dough, so like you can hold this dough in your hand and while at the same time massaging your skin without losing any of your sugar scrub. And now I'm just dividing this into different containers because we are going to have 3 different colors. So this is your blue, and now we're going to have the pink side. Look at how pretty this color is and how smooth that is as well. And now we have your purple side. So this sugar scrub is gonna be in 3 colors: blue, pink, and purple, whereas for the last one that I made, it was just one kind of bluish purplish color. And I just decided I needed a change, and this is the change. So here we are with your 3 different colors. So I'm now just going to put them on this cookie sheet so I can put them in. Listen, this is the worst part about me making sugar scrubs. I cannot pipe to save my life. As you can see, I made it too big and it couldn't fit, but I somehow made it through. Look at what I'm saying. I am so bad at the piping, but I still got it in the container, and look at how beautiful this turned out. This is your Twilight Magic foaming sugar scrub, and it looks so beautiful. You should smell this as well. It does smell so magical. There, I got it. I got it, and you can see all the colors from every angle. So here you are, guys, your Twilight Magic foaming sugar scrub. And now it's time for the fun, well, another fun part, putting on the labels. So I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video, even though I kind of made things ahead of time because I didn't want this video to be too long. So at least you guys can see how I make your sugar scrub. So I hope you do enjoy. Thank you so much, guys. You can find this on my website, diansbathandbody.square.site. Thank you so much.